Looking to build a portfolio in fixed investments but want to start safe? Frustrated by FD returns that are lower than inflation rates? Tired of the cumbersome processes of bank FDs? Looking to diversify across multiple high-yield fixed income investment opportunities all in one place? Well, we heard you. With the launch of high-yield FDs, Grip Invest is now your one-stop platform to diversify your fixed income portfolio with bonds, SDIs, and now FDs, offering you the full spectrum of AAA to BB rated high-yield deals. Introducing high-yield FDs. High-yield FDs offer impressive returns which are 1% to 3% higher than regular bank FDs. They give you options for flexible tenures, periodic interest payouts, and enhanced safety in the fixed income space. Why should you consider investing in high-yield FDs? Number 1. High safety. These FDs are offered by some of the largest and highly rated NBFCs and small finance banks. Number 2. Higher returns. These FDs offer returns up to 9.41% per annum, which are 1% to 3% higher than regular bank FDs. Senior citizens and women get additional interest in these investments. Number 3. Tenure flexibility. You can choose your investment tenure between 12 to 60 months based on your financial goals. How it works on Grip. As a SEBI OBPP platform, Grip is permitted to offer investment options like FDs, which are regulated by RBI. You can explore high-yield FDs directly on our website and complete your investments smoothly and seamlessly, with the benefits of high safety, high returns, and tenure flexibility. High-yield FDs on Grip provide benefits of: Number 1. No new bank account. You can invest in various FDs without the need to open a new bank account with each NBFC or small finance bank. Number 2. One-stop portfolio. Monitor the performance and maturity dates of your all fixed deposits in one place, making it easier to manage your investment efficiently. Number 3. More transparency. FD returns vary according to the investment tenure. To make your investment decision easier, we have introduced an FD calculator that allows you to visualize all possible combinations of return and tenure instantly. Did you know? We offer FDs with NBFCs like Bajaj Finance and Shriram Finance, which have earned the trust of lakhs of users with over INR 40,000 CR invested in such instruments. So what are you waiting for? Start your investment journey with high-yield FDs at Grip Invest today. Grip Invest is now your one-stop solution for building a stronger and more resilient portfolio with high-yield, secure, fixed income investments options like bonds, SDIs, and high-yield FDs, all in one place. So, invest wisely, grow confidently, and let your money work harder for you with Grip Invest. Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.